Welcome back everyone, and thank you for joining me for today's kind of funky but fun intermediate flow. We're going to begin right away, so either seated on top of the shins or in a comfortable easy pose, and just start by crossing the arms on top of one another, alternating which arm crosses on top. Allow this kind of quick movement to help you shake off any negativity, anything that's weighing you down today. On the next one or two crosses of the arms, land with the left arm on top of the right, give yourself a big hug and then twist over towards the left. Try and keep the hips shifted towards the right, however. Get all the air out on that next exhale, and then inhale, reach upward, interlace the fingers, flip the palms, upper body stretch. Exhale, bring those hands back down and begin the crossover motion. Shake off anything that doesn't need to be there anymore. Good, last couple of crossovers. And then give yourself another big hug, this time the right arm over the left, and we're tilting towards the right. Hips shift towards the left. Deep breaths. This position can often restrict breathing, but use it to squeeze all your exhales out. Emptying the lungs. Good, big inhale, reach the arms up, interlace the fingers, flip the palms. Good, on the exhale, bring those hands down and find yourself in a squat at the back of the mat. From here, entering to a forward fold, an option to grab onto the big toes, inhale to lengthen and exhale to fold deeper. If this is not within your practice, that is completely okay. Slowly begin to lower the hips, reach the arms forward, and then re-enter the forward fold. Inhale, lower the hips, reach the arms forward, and exhale to the fold. Inhale, lower the hips, reach those arms forward, and fold. A few more times. Inhale, and exhale. Inhale, reach, and exhale. Good, hold that forward fold one more time. And now we have a little bit more time to explore the forward fold as well. So add a bit of a side to side movement, maybe grab onto the big toes again, make this right for you. From here, we're going to pick up the pace of the practice a little bit. So interlace the fingers, press the palms forward, squat back down. Deep breath in, lift all the way up to mountain, and place the hands on the hips. Bring a strong foundation into that left leg, left foot, and lift the right leg up, tilt forward, and step forward into a low lunge. Inhale to reach the arms up. And exhale, place the hands onto that front knee. Tuck the pelvis under to find a deeper hip flexor stretch. From here, begin to tilt forward and lift that back knee off the mat, then use your power to step back to mountain. Hands return to the hips, this time foundation in the right leg, lift the left leg up. Exhale to step it forward, lower the right knee, inhale, lift the arms. And on the next exhale, place the hands on the front knee and tuck under the pelvis. Deeper stretch in the right leg, right hip flexor. Good, lean back forward, lift the back knee up and step towards the back of the mat again. Hands lower down to the sides, and then inhale, lift that right leg up again, lift the arms. Exhale, step forward, left knee on the mat. Inhale, hands up, and exhale, lean forward, hands on the hips, and then lift the back knee off the mat and extend the front leg into pyramid. Tilt forward, find a gentle hamstring stretch. Begin to engage the legs, hold nice and strong here. Inhale, lift the body upright, arms connect. Lower down again, touching the back knee to the mat and maybe adding a small back bend. Step the right foot back and walk the hands to the back of the mat. Inhale, lift to mountain, and we'll take it to the other side. This time the left leg floats, step it forward, right knee to the back of the mat, and then inhale, arms lift. Exhale, tilt forward, find your pyramid, extending the left leg and lifting the right knee. Keeping a micro bend in that left leg, but staying strong. Inhale, reach the arms upright. And from here, finding that back bend, lower the right knee down. Inhale to lift the chest. Exhale, hands come down, step the left foot back, walk the hands to the back of the mat. And then inhale, walk them forwards to a plank. On the next exhale, lower towards the mat, and we'll just begin with a little back warm up. So just working with baby cobras, inhale to lift the chest and exhale to lower it. Just a little bit, no pressure in the hands. Keep lifting and lowering a few more times. Beginning to wake up the back muscles. Good, from here tuck the toes under, lift the hips up to downward dog again. Take a breath. Inhale, roll forward to plank, this time lower to chaturanga. Inhale to a full cobra or upward dog. Exhale, downward dog, and inhale, lift the right leg up, step it on the outside of the hands, and then step it back. Swapping sides, inhale, left leg up. Exhale, step it on the outside of the hands. Option to lower the back leg just so that the back knee kisses the mat. Other side again, right leg forward, step back. Left leg forward and step back. Inhale as you step forward, exhale to step back. Good, last one. Left leg steps on the outside. Inhale, left arm lifts. Find your revolved lunge. Deep breath in as you reach that left arm upwards. And then from here, we're going to twist all the way into our Skandasana. Extending the left leg, bending the right at the back of the mat. Take some deep breaths and take a few moments to find some comfort here. One more deep breath in and out. And inhale, walk back to the top of the mat, hands surround that front foot. Holding the breath, lift into a pyramid shape. Then exhale, open the chest, cactus the arms, bend the front knee. Exhale, extend the front leg, bend the back knee, reach the arms forward. Inhale, open again, bending that front knee, then swapping the bend in the legs. Inhale, forward, extend that front leg, bend the back. Inhale, forward, arch the back, and bring those hands back down, step back, come into your chaturanga or just straight onto the mat. Inhale for a baby cobra or full cobra, and then lift the arms to the sides, lifting the chest with just the back muscles. Exhale, bring those hands down, tuck the toes under, lift the hips up, downward dog, and we'll start it all on the other side. When you're ready, beginning with the leg swaps again, step the left leg outside the hands, step back, step the right leg outside the hands, step back. Left leg, inhale forwards, exhale to step back. Right leg, step back. Left leg, step back. And this time, right leg landing on that right side. Inhale, right arm up. As you inhale again, reaching up with the right hand, extending the body. And on the exhale, slink to the back of the mat for Skandasana. Extending the right leg if possible, and finding a position that is comfortable to get the most out of this stretch for you. Breathing slow, keeping the spine neutral, trying not to round. It is okay if the heel of the left leg does not make it to the mat as well. Good job. Next, exhale, walk to the front of the mat. Inhale, lift up, extending the front leg, finding a pyramid shape. And exhale, open into your cactus. Take an inhale there. Exhale, extend the front leg, bend the back knee. Inhale to open. Exhale, extend that front leg, bend the back knee, lean forward. Inhale, open. Exhale, extend. Inhale, open. Holding this shape for just a moment. Take a deep breath in, reach the arms up and exhale, bring the hands to the mat, step the leg back, deep breath in, lower to the ground. Inhale into a full cobra or baby cobra, and then extend the hands to the sides, holding with just the back muscles. Good. Bring those hands back next to the chest. Tuck the toes under, lift the hips up, downward dog. Take a moment, a few breaths. Use this time to recenter, just to pause, to reconnect with the breath. Nice. From here, inhale, walk forward, top of the mat, halfway lift. Exhale to fold. And inhale, reach all the way up, finding mountain pose. Then lift the right leg. From here, you can either stay here, just tucking that knee into your chest, or you can hook the right arm underneath the right leg, or you can place the right leg all the way over your shoulder, or find a little bit of something in between. Take a couple breaths, just work on your balance here. If you need to pause and take this to a wall, then go for it. Good. Cross the right leg over the left thigh into a figure 4 chair pose. Then bring the hands to the mat and step the right leg back, but keep it more towards the left side of the mat. From here, lift the left leg up into side plank and then step the left foot behind the glutes, finding your wild thing. So letting the hips dip down, preparing, and then lifting up. If this is too much, then just stay in that side plank. Work on the shoulder strength. Good. Bring it back to the center. Step the left and right leg forward, and we'll take it to the other side. Inhale, reach the arms up. Exhale, left leg lifts, tuck it into your chest, and feel free to stay here. If you want to take it to another level, then wrap the left arm underneath the left leg, or even bringing the leg over the shoulder. Holding, finding that strength and stability in the right leg. Good. From here, we're going to gently release. Cross that left leg over the right thigh for the figure 4 squat. Bring both hands down, bring the left leg closer to the right side of the mat as you step it back, and lift the right leg up into a side plank this time. Then gently bring the right foot down behind you, sit down, prepare for Wild Thing, and lift upwards. Again, if that just doesn't feel right for you today, then feel free to stay in side plank. Good. Bring those hips back down. From here, we're going to step all the way back to the top of the mat, stumbles and all. Inhale to a halfway lift, and exhale to fold. Step both legs back. Take a deep breath in, and lower again on the exhale slowly into Sphinx pose. Pull the chest forward and through. Slow the breathing. You are in the cool down now. From here, bring both legs slightly more to the left of the mat. Reach the left arm out. Bring the right leg up. And then bring the right arm over towards the left of the mat in cactus. An option to connect the left arm to the right leg. Bit of a funky twist here, but a really nice back opener. deep, slow breaths. Now gently swapping sides, right arm reaches out to the top of the mat, left leg comes up near the chest, and left arm opens into a cactus and the right arm connects with that left knee. Keep the knee higher than the hips. It's okay if that left arm does not make it to the ground. Just go to the level you feel comfortable. Good, bring it back through the middle. Rest one hand on top of the other and just rest the head down. Taking a few more moments, a few more deep, soothing breaths. Allow your body to relax every muscle, letting it know that the practice is coming to a close. Feel free to stay there, but if you like, head into one final child's pose. Adding maybe a gentle forehead massage, or preparing for the rest of the day, or thinking of something that you are grateful for that happened this week. Good. When you're ready to come out, go ahead and connect the palms, bow the head down, and just thank yourself for practicing. Thank you so much for joining me, for moving your body, and I hope you feel much more relaxed and also enjoyed a little bit of a challenge with this sequence. If you also enjoyed flowing with me in general, then consider subscribing, as next month our 7-day January challenge will begin. Thank you again for joining me, and I hope to see you next time.